With cooler temperatures, our minds turn to preparing our yards for upcoming frost or freezes. If you want to help conserve pollinators, you need to think about how they spend the winter. Many of our native bees spend the winter as dormant, mature larvae either in the ground below the frost line or in hollow-stemmed or pithy plants. If you want to help native bees, leave foliage that falls from trees in the autumn in your yard to create an insulating layer over the soil. You can also help cavity nesting native bees by allowing hollow-stemmed plants like blackberry, thistle, or sunflower to remain in your yard until the weather warms up the following spring. I typically leave any hollow-stemmed plants until new growth begins pushing out the following year. Both of these can not only help native bees, but other animals to have a cozy place to spend the winter. The other insects that people enjoy in their yard are butterflies. Some butterflies will migrate south to get away from cold temperatures. The monarch butterfly is well known for this, but others, such as Gulf fritillaries, painted ladies, common buckeyes, and more, also migrate. Most butterflies overwinter in our area. They may overwinter in the egg stage, typically found near their host plant, or spend the winter as caterpillars, finding sheltered areas such as leaf litter or crevices of trees. Other butterflies overwinter as pupae in sheltered locations. Pupae enter diapause, which halts their development, and pupae also have the ability to use an antifreeze-like chemical that's in their blood to survive freezing temperatures. Adding native clumping grasses like inland sea oats or little bluestem to the landscape can not only add winter interest with various textures, but are also great overwintering locations for insects. From our viewers, Chris Ostertag submitted a photo of a salt marsh moth found on their kitchen door. This moth is what the now infamous fuzzy caterpillars that were found in fall of 2023 and spring of 2024 turn into. Mallory Smith in Elgin submitted a photo of the largest moth she's ever seen, which had a wingspan of almost 5 inches across. This moth is a Polyphemus moth, which was named after the Cyclops from Greek mythology, giving a nod to the prominent eye spots. We'd love to hear from you. Head to centraltexasgardener.org to send us your questions, pictures, and video.